this video, we are going to build your very first React application. We will use a tool called Create React App, which sets up everything you need automatically, no configuration required. Let's dive in. So, what is Create React App? It's a command line tool provided by the official React team. It helps you create a new React project with a full development environment already set up that includes Webpack, Babel, a development server, hot reloading, and lot more, all out of the box. Let's go step by step and create your app. Step 1. Open your terminal. You can also use the built-in terminal inside the VS Code. Step 2. Navigate to the folder where you want to create the app. For example, CD desktop. Now type this command. Let's break that down. npx is the tool that runs packages from the npm registry without installing them globally. Create React App is the package that sets up the React project. My first React app is the name of your new project folder. Now press enter and wait. It may take few minutes as it installs all dependencies. Once complete, you will see a message that your app has been successfully created. Step 4. Let's run our app. Move into your project directory. cd my first React app. Now start the development server with npm start. Your browser will open automatically and you will see the default React welcome screen with the spinning React logo. If you see that, congratulations, you have just built your first React app. Let's take a quick look at the project structure. Inside the project folder, you will see node modules. This stores all your dependencies. Public contains the index.html file. Source, this is where your React code lives. App.js, your main component. Index.js, the entry point to render React to DOM. Package.json tracks dependencies and project settings. You will spend most of your time inside the source folder writing components and logic. To summarize, you created a new React app with a single command. You started the development server with the npm start. You saw your app live with the browser at localhost 3000. Simple, right? In the next video, we'll explore this project structure in detail and make our first change to the React app.